Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Glaco DX. It's the newest, most technologically advanced liquid wiper yet. We've made sure to make Glaco DX a user-friendly product without sacrificing the trademark Glaco effectiveness. One of the biggest highlights of the product is the new movable applicator head that adapts to your movement and the shape of the windscreen. It will give you more control, less strain and a lot more freedom when applying the coating. Glaco DX is a revolution not only in terms of car care. We have completely eliminated plastic in DX's packaging and the printing is done using plant-based ink. Before applying, remember to use Glaco compound roll-on to deep clean the glass for the perfect prep. Remove the cap and start applying the product evenly in a crisscross motion, pressing the applicator gently against the surface of the glass. When it comes to polishing, best practice is to have 2 microfibers. After around 5 minutes after application, remove the residue with a slightly damp microfiber. Then use a dry and clean one for the final touch. Once applied, you will enjoy Glaco DX thanks to its top water repellency. It works even at the lowest city speeds, giving you maximum performance in all conditions. We hope you liked our how to apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.